Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will introduce case-based reasoning. Let us take an example. George is either at home or on campus. If he is at home, he is studying. If he is on campus, he is with his friends. Therefore, George is either studying or with his friends. We can encode this in symbols and prove the correctness. I use the symbol H to denote George is at home and C to denote he is on campus. If he is at home, he is studying, right? That means H implies yes. S stands for he's studying. F stands for with friends. So the conclusion is yes or F. So I'm going to create a problem now in this proof logic and we'll prove it. Okay, so we have either he's at home or on campus as one premise. If he's at home, he's studying, another premise. If he's on campus, he is with his friends, on the premise. The conclusion is either he's studying or with friends. Okay, now let's go ahead and start proving. The case-based reasoning works as follows. You take an OR statement and split it into two cases. Here, H and C are the two cases. So we'll go ahead and start a sub-proof for H being true. If H is true, we can combine with line number 2 to arrive at S using implies elimination of line numbers 4 and 2. Okay, we take the another case that C being true. Okay, if C is true, we can arrive at F using elimination of implies line numbers 3 and 6. 3 says C implies F, 6 says C, so therefore we get F. We are not in a good state now. We cannot immediately apply OR elimination because we have line number 5, which has yes, line number 7, which has F. So I should have done something different. I should have introduced an OR after line number 5. Let me do that. Yes or F, which I'm allowed to do because it's just an OR introduction. Line number 5. Okay, now I need to fix this bug. It's no longer line number 6. It's line number 7. Okay. Let's see whether everything okay. Yeah. And similarly, I have to do OR introduction, line number 8. Okay, so now we are in a good state to apply OR elimination. The reason is that we assumed H is an assumption, right? We end up with S or F. Similarly, C is another assumption. We end up with S or F. But note here at line number 1, we have H or C. That means we can apply OR elimination to the parent. So I'm going to now say S or F because of OR elimination. Line number 1, 4 through 6, 7 through 9. Congratulations, the proof is correct. Okay, so we have solved the problem. All we did is case-based reasoning. We split the case H or C into two cases, H separately. We were able to arrive at S or F. Similarly, with C, we were able to arrive S or F. The fact that H or C is true, and the fact that H is implying S or F and C is implying S or F means S or F possible. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.